This is restaurant. Georgi said very cheap. I want to see menu. Yeah, this one. Thank you. So this is restaurant. You bought? Also have Thai menu. Thai menu is good. We have breakfast also have. Tapsilok, Filipino foods and drinks.
Drinks and burgers.
And burger and drinks. Big choice is good. Really is prices. Beer 60 peso. Soft drinks 55 only to 29. Yes, good price. In Kokomas maybe double mango juice. Frenzo restaurant. So location you already know. You can check description in the video. Near Sur Stay Hotel. This is popular also hotel.